Hello everyone, welcome to another lecture. In this video, we are going to learn about list operations. In particular, we are going to learn how to add two lists and create the third list based on those two lists. So we are going to use the addition or plus operator to add two lists into one. So we would like to write a program to add two lists. So the first list is fruit containing of two elements, apple and banana. The second list is called vegetables and it is containing carrot and spinach. To do that, we are declaring and initializing these two lists that are mentioned above. So we see the fruit list and we see the vegetable list. And we are having a new list called all items. And this is equal to fruits simply plus vegetables. And then we are printing out the all items list here. And we expect to see in the output first the elements of the fruits list and then the elements of the vegetables list because we are first putting fruits and then vegetables. So when I run this code, in the output we see apple, banana, carrot, and spinach. So we learned in this video how to use the plus or addition operator to add two lists into one. Thank you for watching.